Good evening to one and all. Today's medical term that we'll be discussing is known as normoblast. What is normoblast? It's a name indicating a normal, healthy, but immature red blood cell. As we all know, red blood cells do not have a nucleus, right? But this precursor red blood cell does have nucleus and it is present in the bone marrow because it's still immature. But however, by any chance, if these immature red blood cells are present in the blood, definitely it indicates an abnormal condition. For example, people suffering from severe anemia, where there's a large number of these normoblast, immature red blood cells, but mature red blood cells are less in number. And this can happen due to a bone marrow disorder because it is not helping the maturation or due to circulatory stress. So, what really happens is inside the bone marrow, these immature red blood cells, as they become mature, the nucleus becomes an p-kinotic, and when they become reticulocytes, these nucleus gets ejected out. So, reticulocyte, right, would contain a certain significant shape of the nucleus, but later becomes an enucleated red blood cell. And then that is how a red blood cells do not have a nucleus at the end. Right. So, what is the main function of this normoblast, which is one of the stages, is to produce hemoglobin. So, as they mature into red blood cells, the size decreases and the cytoplasm's color changes from a blue, then towards bluish pink, and then the pinkish orange color. And all these colors have certain scientific terms like blue means basophilic, blue pink means polychromatophilic, and pinkish orange means orthochromatic. So there are four stages in this normoblast maturation, that is, initially a large cell size with nucleus and deep blue cytoplasm known as pronormoblast. This develops where the size decreases, then it becomes deeply basophilic and the nucleus become condensed, and that is known as basophilic normoblast. Then what happens? The cytoplasm becomes like a mix of blue and pink, hemoglobin gets accumulated, nucleus size becomes more condensed, and this is the stage where the cell division is the last. Then comes orthochromatic